Yo, what's up, peeps? It's your boy Fa-Harra FV. I'm apartment shopping today. I'm in a unit right now. Let me pick this off. I'm in a unit right now, checking it out. I want y'all to check it out with me. Hallway. First walk in, front door. Oh, y'all see the bag? It's a new Fa-Harra code. Hadn't even been released yet. But you get it first. This is the first restroom right here. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We got a stand-up shower in it. First when you walk in the house. Granite tops. Look real cool. Storage area right there. And we keep on down the hallway. And you come to this room right here. This is a lower floor than the one I want. This on the 16th floor. The one I want is gonna be on the 32nd floor. So this the kitchen right here. Check it out, check it out. Stainless steel, granite cabinets. Granite tops, dark cabinets. Really cool situation. Man, look at this microwave. God. Man, what you cooking here? Like an oven. But this the balcony off of the kitchen. Really nice balcony. Y'all see the Coronado Bridge. That's the library there, round dome. And this is the front room where everything goes. Couch, TV. I'll put a dining room table probably right here. Probably like a little table right there. Had to figure some other stuff out on this unit. But yeah, I like it. It's cool. And it's the second balcony. It's a nice space right here. It's a nice area. Yeah, and this is the view from this balcony. I actually could stay on the 16th floor. You know, but I want to stay up higher. It'll cost more, but when you're spending your own money, you want what you want. You know, so they're gonna try that right there. Nope. Yeah, so let's get back in here. Now, going on down the hallway. Turn this light. Down the hallway, you got one closet. It's a deep closet like that. You need some space. You got the wash and dry. I think you just wash and dry. Pretty size for a stack. Yeah, regular size for a stack. Going down the hallway, we got junior bedroom. That could possibly be. What suck is he got this beautiful view and this patio area. Alright, this is closet. It's dope. And what's weird about it, it's 2 baths, but neither one of them are master baths, which is weird. So we got this restroom right here. This right in the middle of these two. I would rather have this hooked on to the master bath, but it's not. Come on down, this is the master bedroom right here with this view of the mountains and stuff, and a view of another building, which I don't really care about that because it's still a beautiful view out there. And I still get a piece of a bridge. And this is the closet right here. Not big enough for me, but I had to utilize that closet in the hallway too. And I think that's how that'll work. I would like to have my own bedroom. My own master bath. So what I would do is tell Junior this is not his restroom. The other one is his restroom. He used the other one, but this right here sucks. You know what I'm saying? Cause look at this. He get all this. Tell me what y'all think. Put in the comments. Tell me what y'all think. Cause thinking about moving. I'm actually straight where I'm at. It's just I don't know. I just want something in a tower. I came from a tower in Memphis and I just enjoyed it. So that's just my thing. The place I'm at is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? But this right here is off the chain. And if I was to get this, I'd be on a way higher floor. So y'all tell me what y'all think. They're over there working on that building. See that thing moving? Yeah, I can do that job. The little helicopter. Super random. But yeah, this the unit. This the first unit. I've been looking at units like crazy. I just ain't been recording them. But I am today. I hope y'all comment. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. This unit 1. Don't put unit 1 on here. Y'all tell me about unit 1. Yo, before I go, I want y'all to see these mountains. I don't know if y'all can really see them. Like this camera don't zoom, but they look like shadows. That's crazy, right? I don't think y'all can see them, but they dope. So I'm about to go to the second unit. It's actually on the 12th floor, and this unit that I'm looking at now on the 12th floor is going to be on the 30-something floor. I can't remember. So get back with y'all in a minute. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Oh yeah, you got curtains too. You got high curtains. So if you don't want the sun in here, you know, you straight. Leave these doors open all day. Never have to turn on the air. I haven't had to turn on the air in my apartment in so long because it's just beautiful out here 24 hours a day. So get with y'all. See y'all at the next unit. What's up, people? Back again. Just got in the unit. But the next unit, so when you first walk in, got a little foyer area. And you got this space right here. Look like you can set like a table with a base, something real cool. That'll be dope. Got a closet right here. Nice size closet. Not that high, but a nice size. And this the view from the front door. Front door, and this in the building, it has a doorbell too. So walk in, this the view. So you come on in, master bedroom to the right hand side. Man, I know y'all see that bag. That bag dope, right? Oh, I got the phone charger right there too. Man, y'all go on Fa-Harra.com. This coming up. It's coming next. Oh yeah. And the pants too. Oh man. Fa-Harra.com. Make sure you check it out. Like, subscribe, and all this stuff with this video too. You know what I'm saying? Do all that. Okay. This the master bedroom. It's cool. You can put some stuff up there. It's cool. Like I need like way more closet space in this, so I probably utilize that closet. I got a king size bed. It would just fit in here. The door probably be able to open net wide probably. Yeah, so I don't need to open real wide to go to the restroom. I just need to open up. And this is from the bedroom. And this floor is really low. It's the 12th floor, the 11th floor. The one I'm looking at is on the 32nd floor. So this is just a model of it. So I'm standing in the closet right here. Let y'all see the bedroom. It'll do. It'll do. I like the balconies off the, you can't get on the balcony from the bedroom. You have to go around, but I'm glad that that it's not like in my sunroom. So I can, when I have company or we can hang out on the balcony, I ain't gotta worry about my son listening. So that's dope. And granite countertops, dark. That's a deep cabinet right there. We got the shower over here. We got this space right here, just open. So what I would do with this space is I would put my shoes. I buy shoe bins and put my shoes in this space. We got a lot of shoes. So yeah, I'll put my shoes in this space. Hang my towels right there. Toilet, super fly. Super low, super fly. Big mirror. Cool, got the same storage as the other one. So that's tight. All right, leave back. Let's get out of my room. Get out of my room. Come on, let's go. So we back in the hallway. Hallway leads to another restroom. Same floor mat, just a little bigger. And I would probably put some type of storage right here too. I don't know. No, I'll probably put like a little table and a vase with a fake flower in it. Yeah, real flower probably would survive in the restroom. All right, just a tub, shower combo. It's cool. All right, not the big tub I want like in the Strata. Man, I wish I would have been recording this so y'all can see that. All right, wash and dry unit. Right here. Now we're gonna go into my son's room. And he got the same size closet that's in the master. It's a smaller room, but it makes sense. So I probably would put his bed on this side and his TV on the wall right here, and put his desk up under the TV, so he could play his game, you know, get his YouTube stuff when he started, and he have a nice little area to do that. So that'll be dope. Like I said, I'm looking from a really low floor for what I want. So y'all, these are not going to be the exact views. It's going to be higher than this, look better. This the front room right here. There's still some cool views, but not, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to see the parking lot from where I live. You know, it's gonna be much higher. So this the front room right here. And this is the living area right here. So I'll probably put an L couch right here. And put my 7-inch right here. I want this, I had to get my what's name, make sure. There's gotta be something somewhere to hang the TV up at. Like some piece of wood inside of there, some piece of metal. So I have to use my tools and see can I do that, because I put on my own TV. So yeah, put that up right there. I'll put the L couch right here. Probably an ottoman. And some kind of, I don't know. I have to visualize something else. I have to visualize, but I know an L couch for sure. And this is the kitchen area, dark countertops, stainless steel, everything, nice size refrigerator, a lot of storage, dishwasher, dope. I don't even know if I was looking for a dishwasher in the other one, but it does have it. Got some deep cabinets in here, so I know I can utilize this for some storage. So this is how it looks. And if I move in here, y'all see what floor I'm on, and y'all can understand where I'm coming from. You know, when I say it's a high floor, it's a big difference. And you got the bridge and stuff over there. Looks crazy dope. This is the dining room area right here. My dining room table can fit right there. And it's dark wood too. So that's dope. It's already worked. I could put my work desk right here. So I can do my YouTube and all that kind of stuff. The door trying to close. Bam, it's the wind. I keep that door open 24 hours a day, by the way. And let's go out to the balcony. All right, the balcony, like I said, I'll be on a way higher floor than this. So, like I said, it's still cool. You see this other building, but this building is way taller than that building. So I will be looking over this building from the floor that I want. And this is the bedroom right here. So, yeah. That's about it. So, y'all tell me what y'all think. Apartment A or apartment B? I know personally, as long as it's on a high floor, I'm pretty much straight. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much what I want. The strata is my number one. It was a 3-bedroom. But it's crazy more expensive than this. And this ain't cheap. Y'all put in the comments, let me know. First apartment A, second apartment B. And it's another unit that I want to look at here, but they don't have it available right now. Let me turn off these folks' lights. Even though they was on when I got here, I don't want them to say nothing to me. But yeah. The only problem I have is the closet space in the master. That's the only problem I got, but I'll figure out the rest. Cause I can put storage right here too. So it might not end up being a problem. I can put storage right here. I can put another storage right there, but this be buying stuff to make the apartment fit. So I do want a tub in my master too. I like taking baths, but the shower is cool. It looks nice. So yeah. Just let me know what y'all think. I'm about to head up out of here. One last look at this view, which is not the best view compared to the other ones, but it's cool. All right, man. I'll get with y'all later. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Hit the bell for all notifications. I'm telling y'all, some dope stuff coming up. I hadn't been vlogging. I've been pretty much just doing live videos because I was trying to figure out what to do with my YouTube channel. But let me know what you think. Go to Fa-Harra.com. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to revamp the whole Fa-Harra.com. It's about to be crazy. I'm telling y'all. So it's either I'm gonna do that or I'm gonna make a FaHarraCo.com with everything else on it. I'm still figuring it out. But you will see. It's gonna be dope. So I'm gonna get with y'all later. It's your boy Fa-Harra FV, the son of Double AG, and it's IVD all day. Wow.